This stunning C2 Pro Tour is an amazing classic that's ready for years of endless cruising thanks to a custom chassis, tastefully upgraded aesthetics, and 460 horses of 3rd gen LT1 small block. Want to put some killer American muscle in your garage? Check out this phenomenal vet. A head-turning collector car that's been massaged into a jaw-dropping Pro Tour. This smashing Stingray is the product of a professional ground-up restoration that was completed by Sarasota, Florida's Godspeed Rides. That top-notch build is capped by a sinuous and equally solid body, which reflects vivid coats of smooth red 2-stage. And that body bends a buff canvas for a wide array of both custom and traditional details. Open the doors and you'll find a tasteful custom interior that continues the Stingray's striking visuals. Custom 7th generation Corvette buckets sport red stitched leather. A suede and leather dash hangs Dakota Digital gauges and compact audio above modern climate control and a lit Corvette banner. A backlit console, complete with push-button transmission controls, traces the car's floors all the way back to a lighted Grand Sport banner, and the driver spins an attractive steering wheel on a tilting column. Lift the big block hood and you'll find GM's latest and greatest LT1, an all-aluminum V8 that's good for 460 horsepower and 465 pound-feet of torque. That modern engine sends power through a 6L 86-speed, back to a Currie 9-inch with posi-traction. Storming the market over 65 years ago, America's favorite sports car remains some of the hottest performance on the planet. This brilliant Pro Tour is a world-class custom that features a potent drivetrain, a modern suspension, and many well-executed details that make it the perfect combination of show and go. For more information, call, click, or visit arcademotors.com.